It's Refinishes Voice America coming to you almost live from our restoration shop. And we're working after hours tonight to get this 69 convertible GTO out. Here's where it all begins. Much prep. It ain't as easy as it looks. This is the initial stages. We got ice cream trucks going on. We got vendors. We got old cars waiting in line. We got other cars here, other cars here. We got cars inside the booth. These guys are craftsmen. Think that we took a bunch of pieces and we're going to build an entire car. Look how rough the old bodywork was. You can't discover that until it gets sandblasted. And we don't do sandblast. We have a special media blast that we do. All the floor plans are going to be replaced. This is going to be a car in about 4 weeks. A complete car. Floor plans are going to be replaced. There nose. We're going to come right back at you. If we make more progress, and that's going to be a beautiful ice cream truck. Y'all hang in there. More coming your way. Refinishes Voice of America signing out.